Hello, friends, and hello, fellow vintage lovers. It's been a while since I've done a haul, and I am super excited about this one. I do want to mention, most of you probably already know that Sabrina, who I sell with normally 3 times a week, is out of town this week. So I will be doing 2 solo sales. The first one will be tomorrow night, Thursday, and that will be at 7 Eastern, 6 Central. I will have my amazing moderator, Jane Holy Spirit Firefall, Jane Angel, with me, and I'm really excited about it. Then I will be having my normal Saturday sale. That sale is at noon Eastern, 11 Central. It will probably be a shorter sale. I haven't quite figured it out. It will be all solo, so we shall see. So consider these items a preview for what's going to be showing up in the sales this week. I do want to mention, in case you didn't miss it, I think I've fallen out of the algorithm. Maybe not, but I just wanted to mention, just in case, I did post my normal jewelry buy it now sale on Monday. It is still out there. There's still quite a bit of items that are left in that sale, and a lot of them are $3 to $10. So if you love jewelry, you may want to check that out as well. Okay, guys, so I got these items last weekend at an estate sale and a couple of garage sales that I hit. There will be a part 2 to this coming up, probably Friday. Yeah, I think Friday. I'm trying to post, I don't want to post 2 videos in one day because that messes up the algorithm. And yeah, so we shall see when that second haul comes out. But I also want to mention, if you're a member of this channel, I do have a members only video scheduled, and that will post on Friday as well. And it will be made a public video after it's been out a few days. But it's showing our newest amazing rescued bearded dragon, as well as some of the other animals in my life. You guys know how important they are to me. So I figured I would give you guys like some bonus footage of everything that's been going on in my crazy life, trying to take care of all these creatures and run my own business. And, you know, it's just been crazy. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to try to go fast. Okay, guys, so I saw this at a garage sale, and it looks like I need to clean it. I thought it was clean, but, you know, just like whenever I'm filming, I find dirt or something that I didn't see before. This is a Haeger piece. Look at this beautiful mauve color. This is what they call the flying saucer vase. It is in perfect condition. There's no chips or damage on it. It freaking looks brand new. You guys know I love my Haeger and my mid-century pottery. I was really excited to find this at a garage sale. Now, they did know what they had, so I did pay up for a few of these items. But yeah, this is just fantastic. I love it. I think I stopped at 2 or 3 garage sales last week. I cannot remember. But I also got a Grogu. Yes, I've gotten more than one of these for resale. This one is in amazing condition. He does come with his little backpack. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I just love Grogu. I figured somebody might want to pick this up as a gift for Christmas. I cannot believe it. I just can't. How is time going by so fast? But anyway, this wonderful Grogu. And then back here, I was trying to remember, I don't think I have shown this in a sale, but I had it sitting up here. This is a Mexican hand-painted tray. And I wanted to show it to you guys. It does have a little bit of damage there, but I have repaired it. And I thought I would show it. I am not sure if I am going to be selling this or not. I thought it might look good on my gallery wall. I don't know. If it's something you are interested in, you can definitely let me know, but just know it has been repaired. Okay, let me get that in there. Maybe. There we go. Back here, I need to research this. Honestly, I don't even know if this is silver or silver plate, guys, but it is this amazing vase. It's got this wonderful patina. It's a weighted base. It's not marked anywhere. So I'm going to have to further research this before I offer it for sale, but it is wonderful. I love the patina. Down here are 2 metal shakers. These are from Japan. No, they're Oneida. I was way off on that. But they're incredible. I love the shape. It's very deco shape to these. I don't think they're that old. Well, I know they're not. They are tarnish resistant. But yeah, these are wonderful. So if you're looking for metal shakers, there you go. Speaking of metal, I got this cast iron mermaid hook. I like to show you guys items that I get as gifts. So I just included that here. This is a gift for a friend of mine that collects mermaids. I had to pick it up. Okay, then back here, I picked up, so I got these at the estate sale, y'all. Why couldn't I have found these around Halloween? I don't know. Not sure if I'll save them for Halloween. If you are interested in purchasing them, let me know. They're all vintage. This is a Casper. I don't remember if these were marked. They are. Taiwan. Are they not the cute? Look at these ghosts. These are probably from the 80s, maybe the 90s. This little trio of ghosts. They're all in wonderful condition. This is an amazing Vaseline Daisy and Button Victorian boot. It does glow like crazy. Look at this. Love it. Then I didn't even see if this little amber one glows. I don't think so. But I picked it up as well. You know, I love my amber, but look at the glow on this. Incredible. Okay. Then next to those is this art glass starfish. It's a good size. It's just really pretty. And I know a lot of people like their figural glass pieces. So, of course, I had to get that. Then I got this. Look at this little mouse in a shoe. Little mouse in a boot. He's in perfect condition. He is Wales, Japan. I love him. I look at his little foot hanging out there. He is so cute. Love him. Then back here, so at this estate sale, the woman that lived there had collected cat items. And there were a lot. So I only picked out like one or two. But this, I really like this little cat picture. So as you can see, there's like a crow or a raven there. And then these two Siamese looking cats. I just thought this was wonderful. I don't remember. Yeah, I don't see any information on it. But vintage, probably 90s. Love it. It's cute. Oh, this is incredible. So this is a lusterware picture. It has this beautiful bird here and all these floral details. It is in wonderful condition. It's got this old Japan stamp here on the bottom. I'm a sucker for the blue lusterware. I just think it's incredible. And this is in such wonderful, wonderful condition. I love it. Okay, then back here is this piece of acrylic. I think it's from the 70s. This wall art piece. What is it? Kind of like a cage, maybe? I don't know what you would call it. Haven't looked it up or anything, but I just thought it was amazing. So it's acrylic. It's in wonderful condition. And it's just super cool. If you'd like the wicker look and that 70s look, this might be amazing to have in your collection. Then this, because it's in my hand, this is McCoy. And it is this amazing mid-century piece. This is Florencia. It's something like that is the name of this pattern. And these are not damaged. It looks like there's just maybe a little bit of paint rubbed there or something. It is in wonderful condition. I did pay up for this at the estate sale. It was so weird. Some of their prices were really good, and some of them were super high. Like they had a pair of brass cats that I would have loved to get. They were larger. They were $45 each. So even at 20% off, which was the day I went, I think, they were way too high for me to try to resell. But I had to get this because somebody's going to love this. I know it. I know it. Then I got this. So this is a Cocapelli mug, probably from the 90s. It is made by Potpourri 94. Yeah. So I love Cocapelli. I love this whole Southwestern look. Not sure. It'll probably go in a sale. I don't know. It's really cool. Then I got this little pair of moccasins. These were probably like a souvenir piece. Obviously, they're handmade. They are really, really cute. They're in really good condition. I don't know. I just loved them. Then I got this pair of vases. These are glass, and they have these beautiful gold flowers. Is it cherry blossoms? I'm not sure. So I did look these up. I saw some listed saying they were amethyst glass. They're not. They are black. They are not amethyst. So maybe they made these in amethyst. I just don't know. But they're beautiful, and I love that there was a pair. Okay, so this is just something I got. So a lot of people love to repurpose these old crystal chandelier pieces. So I went ahead and got them. I got the whole lot of them together. I cannot remember what I paid. So we do have an Art Nouveau chandelier in this house, and I don't think any of these will work on it. I do have a couple of crystals that I need to replace on it, but I think these are too small. So these will probably go up for sale. There's so many things you can do. I don't craft. I just don't have the time. So I will probably just sell these as a lot, just so you know. And then the last two things I have to show you are jewelry. Oops. So I picked this up, you know, I love this. I love the links on this. It is obviously a vintage gold necklace. I think it is unisex. I love this braided gold tone. I haven't looked this one up. I didn't see a marking anywhere on it, but I love that. Now this one is already sold, but I wanted to show it to you anyway. Matter of fact, I've got two other pieces I want to show. No, I think I've already shown them. I did get this at the estate sale. This is Cocapelli. It's a sodalite chip necklace. It did already sell, but I wanted to show it to you. Oops, because I had it out. Let me see if I can zoom in. There he is. Really cool necklace. I like it a lot. So, as usual, tell me what your favorite item is. And I hope you can make it to my live sales. So again, tomorrow, Thursday, 7 Eastern, 6 Central, and I will have Holy Spirit Firefall Jane modding for me. Then I have a sale on Saturday. That's the noon sale at 11 Eastern. I do want to let you guys know, so I'm sure you've heard, because I know other resellers are having trouble with it too, but PayPal has just been weird. And there are a couple of people, so I did invoice, but there are a couple of people that haven't paid yet, and I'm going to be reaching out to you to make sure you got the invoice, because I even have a reseller who can't pay my invoices. So there's something going on. PayPal's saying it's some sort of bug. But if for some reason you haven't gotten an invoice from me for last week yet, definitely reach out. I will be invoicing again on Sunday and Monday of this week for the sales this week. I always like to tell you guys that when I have a plan, when I know what's going on. And again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your continued support. I love you guys so much. You'll never know how much. Take care, guys. Bye.